gals, welcome back to Tutti Frutti Rupee. Today I'll be doing a few types of backyard birds you might see in your very own backyard. This bird is a male red finch. You might know it because only its upper part of the body, or its head, is red. Can you guess what bird this is? That's right, this is a cardinal. These birds have a rich red coat, and they are very cute looking too. This is a moaning dove. It's known for its call, which sounds as if it's moaning. Okay guys, that was it for today. Please like and subscribe to this video if you see some of these birds in your own backyard. And bye!